What is Midas Manifestation? Anyone that brings up the idea of manifestation is almost instantly discredited, since so many people have been taught to believe only what they can physically put their hands on. Interestingly, if the manifestation is done correctly, that's exactly what the user gets, something that they can tangibly feel the evidence of. Manifestation has been a concept that cultures have embraced worldwide for centuries, finding the impossible hidden within the world's unarguable facts. Take the universe, for example. There is so much more than what most humans can ever hope to see in the world. Through time, civilizations and kingdoms have come and gone, taking with them exclusive knowledge that the rest of the world has not been privy to. What if it was possible to understand some of this hidden knowledge that has only been available to certain people until now? What if the impossible things that the average person hopes for in their life were to become a bit more possible? During a Midas Manifestation program, the creator invites 350 people to watch the answers to these two questions collide, and in a beautiful way. Midas Manifestation creator explains that he is a linguist, and he was fortunate enough to come upon a substantial amount from an ancient book full of documentation. Through the program, he explained how this ancient text led him to develop a manifestation program that anyone can use. This program aims to bring success in many different ways using chakras, which are essentially energy fields within your body and your soul that is tied directly with your spirit, as well as your earthly body. While some people may think that their circumstances result from bad luck or no opportunities, he teaches them to turn it around for the better. Bad luck becomes an idea with no power over the user's life, and financial difficulties seem to disappear. Results like these seem almost like an embellishment of what a meditation program can do, but is it truly possible? How does Midas Manifestation help users? Ultimately, this entire Midas Manifestation package focuses on helping users use the energy in the universe to create opportunities and success for their finances, health, and other parts of their lives. In fact, the creator says that all of these benefits will be at the user's disposal to command. They will learn the secrets of the universe and how to bend those secrets to their own will. The entire program is based on ancient texts he found with other researchers that revealed advancements in technology and stories that some people may call conspiracy theories. The secret knowledge that he boasts of has only been available to the elite so far, which is why this program is only available to a certain number of people. Since launching the Midas Manifestation program, he has seen other people experience the success he advertises throughout their lives. Everything can be traced back to 5 audio tracks that the user will listen to and meditate on. The tracks include Manifest Destiny, Divine Willingness, Anahata Bliss, Manipura Consciousness, Midas Unleashed. If you want to experience this manifestation program, click on the link given in description below. In Manifest Destiny, users will learn how to command their third eye chakra to turn to their inward consciousness. This part of the program is essential to see success since it plays at a frequency of 288 Hz, directly connecting it to the chakra. With Divine Willingness, users shift their attention to the crown chakra. At this level, users will learn how to attract abundance and tune in this body part. The frequency is much lower at 216 Hz to activate the crown. In the third track, called Anahata Bliss, users will tune into their heart chakra, easily falling out of alignment and cause the user detrimental failures in their professional and personal lives. To interact with this chakra, the frequency is raised to 639 Hz. Manipura Consciousness zones in on the solar plexus chakra. As the chakras become more aligned, the user will notice enhanced consciousness that benefits every level. This audio is 528 Hz. In the fifth and final audio, the user will get in touch with the root chakra, which focuses on bringing more wealth and well-being to the user's life. To form the best connection, the audio has a frequency of 639 Hz. The creators have developed a quick start guide that describes the best ways to listen to the tracks for consumers who want to get started on the program as quickly as possible. These details also include the best time of day to listen to them and how long the user should continue to listen. This package is paired with 2 colorful digital books, known as Midas Manifestation Handbook, which helps you raise your vibration and clear any negativity and feelings of being undeserving around money, and manifest your destiny, raise your vibration and clear any negativity, activate the energetic field of your heart center to harmonize your system. Both bonus books cover every detail that the creator learned from the deciphered manuscript he discovered with all of these secrets. Purchasing Midas Manifestation. For now, the presentation is still available, but only for a limited group. The creator has set up this program to be available exclusively to the first 350 people that order it. Once this number is reached, the page will be shut down so that no one else can order the product. The total cost of all of the digital content of the Midas Manifestation is $37. If the user finds that they do not get the benefits described to them, they have up to 60 days to request a refund from the creators. Official link of Midas Manifestation has been placed in description below. Final conclusion on Midas Manifestation. Midas Manifestation takes on different audio frequencies to align the body's chakras, stating that this balance can improve the user's success in their life on command. The program only requires a one-time payment, but enrollment is limited to create urgency. Users will learn about the role that the universe has in their life, channeling their inner energy to make improvements that they may never have envisioned before. While there is limited information on what the user is actually committing to, the return policy covers a full refund if you don't like it. So grab it now, link is placed in description below.